In this video, you'll learn how to measure confidently without having to leave your office. You'll learn the line tool, the area tool, and the radius tool. They'll save you a site visit.
Welcome to Sydney Olympic Park. Originally designed to host the Olympic Games held in the year 2000, now it finds itself a popular location for sports and recreation. This will be perfect for our demonstration. Before making a selection, we recommend that you zoom in as close as possible so that you can make more accurate measurements. You can do this with the scroll wheel on your mouse. Let's start with the radius tool. That's selectable at the top of the page. I think this arena over here will be perfect to demonstrate the tool. Let's zoom in. It's a matter of just clicking as close to the center of the object as you can and slowly moving out until you cover the object. Clicking will close that off. Now you can see I've done a pretty poor job. It's okay because I can click and hold in the middle and drag that until I'm happy and release. You can also click and drag out to make it bigger as well. With the area tool, you've got a label here which can be turned on and off, and you can also select the unit of measure that suits your needs. Okay, I think we'll do the line tool next, and this path over here might be perfect to display that. So let's zoom in closer. So let's place the first point, and you can easily move the map by clicking and dragging the map as you go, even while measuring. To place your second point, you simply need to click, and let's drag the map out again and place another point and another, and then we'll go to close that off. So to close the line off, you just simply got to double click. You'll note with the line that you've got a number of other tools here that are available, the total and the bearing. These can all be enabled or disabled individually. And you can also select the unit of measure. Okay. Let's look at the area tool next. That's selectable at the top of the page. And let's find an area that we can measure. So this park might be good. Let's zoom in close so that we can place the first point. And like the line tool, you can still drag the map even when measuring. Click to place the second point. Now you can see that it starts to work out the area already. Place the third, and we'll finish that off with the fourth, and it's a simple matter of just double clicking to close that measurement off. So you can see that you've got the total line measurement and the total area. These can be turned on and off as you need as well. And you can also select the unit of measure. With all three of these tools, you can delete them by clicking this black bin over in the corner. Thank you. I hope this has been useful. If you have more questions, please visit our documentation site.